there is a certain center forward in the Bibiani Gold Stars team. Asante Kotoko has bid for him, you know, Prince Kwabena Usu, the center forward. Kotoko is looking for his service. I understand, you know, the Bibiani Gold Stars CEO is not interested in, you know, giving Prince Kwabena a due to Asante Kotoko in the January transfer window. So it's one of the talks in town that is bringing a lot of people to the stadium to watch the Kotoko Bibiani Gold Stars, and that is one of them. Number two, Abednego Tete is part of the match day squad. So it tells you things that will make sure people goes to the stadium to watch Kotoko against Bibiani Gold Stars. The last season top scorer in the Ghana Premier League. Bibiani Gold Stars arguably one of their best players last season in the Ghana Premier League. It's one of them. It's one of the reasons why people are going to the park to watch them. Mpem Da Costa is a typical Kumasi boy. Former Ash Gold player, former Asante Kotoko player, former Kerala defender, now playing for Bibiani Gold Stars. Today, he is starting at the heart of the central defense with Vincent Atenga, playing the